Big Shaq, the one and only. Man's not hot. Never hot. Skitty cat cat. Boom. 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3. Quick maths. Everyday man's on the block. Smoke trees. See your girl in the park. That girl was a uckers. When the thing went quack, 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 you man was duck man. Old time Aspany, my brother, he's got a pumpy.
Okay guys, so I'm going to just turn it down a little bit so we can have a bit of background music. And today I'm playing Roblox, so yes, let's go. My name is Olivia is the Gamer 1 if you want to go add me, and that's my YouTube name as well. So we're playing Escape the Phone X. I might be getting that phone X. Probably not. God knows. Tell him man's not hot. Go tell me to take off your jacket. I said, babes, man's not hot. Right, stop singing. That's my favorite song as well. I'm just going to put this on Rolex. Snapchat! I have Snapchat. By the way, speaking of Snapchat, I'll put it. That is my name, guys. And I'll put it in the link description below so you guys know. And I'll put my Musical.ly and my Instagram name. Shoot. Yeah, I think that's also some medias I have. My social medias are Musical.ly, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. Yeah, they're my social medias, but you already know my YouTube, so I'll put my Musical.ly, Instagram, and Snapchat below. Anyways, I'm on level 2, which is Snapchat, or shall I say checkpoint 2. I'm gonna move you guys down. Where's my mouse? So, let's just move you down. So because we're on Snapchat, sorry my lighting is not that good. Like, boom. Wait, what? What is it? It went too far. Shoot! I didn't even press it. Watch, I'll press it. Oh. What is this anyways? Temple Run. Oh, I used to love Temple Run. I used to have it on my mom's iPad, and it was the Merida one. Oh my god, I was like, oh, I gotta beat my score. And if my mom said time for tea, I'd be like, no, I need to beat my score on Temple Run. On Merida Temple Run. She said, hurry up. Oh my god, emojis. I need the poop one. And if you guys are thinking, you're just copying Xylet's Play because she wanted the poop one. No, I'm not. I don't. Well, I do watch Xylet's Play's video, but I've seen that she's done one on Escape the iPhone 7, but I haven't watched that one. But I know that she's done it. What the heck? I know that she did it because my friend has watched it. Cookie Dunk! Oh my god. I'm on checkpoint 6, guys. That was 7, yeah. That was 7. No, 6. So watch, I'll jump onto that, and then I'll jump onto that, and look, it disappears. Oh, is that water? Cookies and water do not go. And guys, soon I will be doing a Q&A and like on my Instagram and Musically and Snapchat. Message me saying some questions for my Q&A because I'm doing my Q&A, guys. And also, I would do FaceTime calls, but I still live with my mom and dad, and I'm only a kid, basically. I'm going into year 6 next year, and that means that I'm 9 right now. I'm turning 10. I don't think you guys need to know that information. Oh, damn, memory cards. I don't know if I have this on my phone. I think I do. I have an iPhone, but I have the iPhone SE, which is the 5 model. But yes, I love this game. Zombie vs. Plants. Even though I've never played it, and what the heck? Yeah, okay, we're not that far. I love this game, even though, whoa, watch this. I love this game, even though I've never played it, but I think it's for boys. It actually looks pretty good. And I want to be a plant because I don't want to get Sliver, I love Sliver, even though I don't have the app. And also, guys, I will be doing what's on my iPhone. Oh, take me back. Oh, whoa. Your dad is 44. No, he's not. 33, actually. Nine years ago, I think he was at least like 20. iTunes! I don't have. Well, I do have iTunes. But I listen to Spotify music. Whoa. I never knew I could actually do that until now. On Saturday, I'm off to gymnastics. And this might not upload till Friday, which is tomorrow. But guys, I'm posting this on Thursday, the 4th of January. Your dad is 44. Musical notes, musical notes. Do I see Candy Crush Saga over there? I see Candy Crush. And I also see Pokemon. Oh my god. Pokemon is so good. Jeez, I love Pokemon though. No, I died! Right, from now on, every time I get a notification on my phone, I'm not allowed to look at it. Okay, need to focus on the video. No! I need some coke. Your dad is 44. I'm telling, when I see him, I'm going to be in his jaw. Ow, actually, I just smacked me. I don't know why, but when I smack other people like that, then it does like a real hard slap, like noise. I don't actually slap them though, guys. I'm not that mean. Violence is not the answer. I don't even know. But guys, violence is not the answer. Never smack or hit or kick or push or anything. Don't do anything that's gonna hurt someone. As in, like, they start crying. Not call name. It's okay if you call name because names are very different. But, oh my god, I'm inside the girl. Oh, jeez, I do not want to look at her eyeballs. Well, memory card thingies again. Again. I don't know if I have one. I probably do. My phone is 128 gigabyte. See, daddy's 44. And tell him, I'm gonna see him. I'm gonna spin his jaw. Anyway, guys, we're gonna end it here, even though I'm only on checkpoint 13. So I love to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Let's just do the outro with a bit of, Rolex. Okay. Bye. And if I can find you.